Well, good morning. John Dombrowski here at the Washington Pain Center. We're talking to Bruce. Now, Bruce, you came to me about how long ago? Round figures.
Oh, what, 2 months ago?
Okay.
2 months.
Now, you came to me because you wanted some sort of spacer in your back because you were told by a nurse practitioner, somebody, that your spine was terrible. You're going to need a multi-level fusion.
Multi-level fusion, correct.
And you were not digging that.
No, not at all.
And I think they had you on medication-wise, like
They did.
opiates and things like that to
Correct.
modify
Correct,
your
sir.
pain. So you came to see me, and how'd it go for you? What's going on?
Well, you have a different approach to things, I see, medical approach. And originally, I was skeptical. But after our very first meeting, I found out that you actually knew what you were talking about, and you do what you say you do. And next 2 weeks from there, or whatever, our next appointment, we scheduled an injection, and this time in the right section of my body. And I was able to walk out of your office for the first time in 6 or 7 months.
Wow.
So, yeah.
And so you sounds like you had an injection before
I did.
with somebody else that offered you nothing.
Yes, correct.
So
Apparently they put the injection in the wrong muscle group, I guess.
Yeah.
And yeah, so like you identified that you listened to the patient. And I don't believe the other people did. They managed the x-ray.
Right. We had talked about that.
Yep.
So it tells me now, I think you were 90% better, but now you're back to the gym or doing other things?
I'm actually got on an electric bike for the first time. And actually it's in my neighborhood saying, they're 10, 11-year-old children, they're saying, hey, mister, nice bike. It's kind of weird.
Wow.
I haven't been on a bike in decades.
Very cool.
And yeah, I'm in the gym now, and I'm slowly doing some leg exercise to rebuild my muscle on my knees. And
So this is really the first time after 6 or 7 months you've had any sort of benefit?
Absolutely.
Okay.
No
So I understand the reason why we're shooting this video is because you kind of like the videos.
Yes.
In terms of an education or whatever.
Yeah, that's what led me here originally. I was shopping for some alternative.
Right.
And I guess the good Lord led me here.
Yeah.
And honest to God.
And that's why I think we're shooting the video. So if someone was in your shoes, you know, the back pain, maybe had injections or thinking about surgery, what would you tell them about like this practice?
I look forward actually for my coworkers that I work with now to say, oh, my back hurts, just so I can refer your practice.
No, you're very
Honest to
generous.
God, I really am. I have a couple candidates right now that have sciatica issues. And I don't know they're going to be able to get the same success.
Okay. Yeah.
But yeah, it definitely will lead them this direction.
Well, you're very generous. Thank you so much for sharing your story. I
Thank
love
you.
it. Oh, no, my pleasure.